my water butt has arrived, and it's in this long box, and the place it's going is next to this downpipe, which is fed by the rain gutters of the house and down to a grate which is just down there. First off, I'm going to level off that area to the left of the pipe, and I'm going to put a flagstone down there. So I'm going to get my rake out and sort that out now. Okay, it took a bit of shoveling and raking and to get everything nice and level, but now the water butt is in place. Now all remains is to take that bag of goodies and turn it into a filling system, and there's a little tap that fits in that hole there, so we'll soon be ready to go. Okay, so that's it, fitted, plumbed in, and there's a little tap or faucet at the bottom for filling my watering cans. I'm rather pleased with that. Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications for all my future videos. It would be great to hear from you in the comments, and I'll try to get back to as many of you as possible. You may wish to check out these titles, or even help me out with a donation using the links in the description below the video. Thanks for watching.